Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Uh, Today let's see about tuple. They pronounce it tuple or tuple, however it is. So let's see about tuple today. So tuple is very similar actually. It is equivalent to a list, but using tuple we can't do much since it is immutable. We can't add any value. Big can't. Okay. So we can't add any value, delete value, modify a value. Nothing can be done with tuple. It is immutable like a string. Once it is defined, it's a define. Very simple. And it is no fixed length. There is no variable length. List is a variable length, but tuple is a fixed length. So only it is called immutable. And using round brackets, they say parenthesis or round brackets. Using this, we have to define a tuple. So let's see practically how define a tuple, empty tuple, and okay, empty tuple equal to this one. So you print, oops, something wrong. Okay, empty tuple. Let me print empty tuple. Done. Empty tuple. If you want to add any data into data tuple, so let me add some data. It is um, 1 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. Okay, something like this. I'm going to print this data tuple, so it prints me tuple. Okay, so we have default functions like max, minimum, length. Let me show it in a interpreter. So my data tuple dot, okay, it's a function, so we must use length of my data is 4, and what is the minimum entry, or that is 10 out of 10, 20, 30, 40. It is 10 is a minimum, and maximum will be my 40 will be my output. So sum, we can say data tuple, so it sums every value 70, 30, 100. Okay, so these are some functions are available in tuple. So apart from this, since it is immutable, we can't do much operations on this, and we can do slicing and iteration. Let me show you slicing here. See, my data tuple is this one. Okay, so I'm going to say my data tuple to print only the uh, zeroth index, so it prints me the first value. Okay, if you want a -1, that is negative index, so it prints me the last value. Slicing is possible, and since it is iteratable, we can store multiple values using comma separated. So we can do for loops or looping iteration. So let me show you data tuple. Let me print each value. And sorry, each value. Okay, got it. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, mm, that's it we can do on tuple. So that's it for today's video. On this video, uh, main thing data type is completed. Let's see, statement, control statement, looping statement on next video. Hope this was good. If you have any comments or suggestion, you can comment below on the comment section. Subscribe. Thank you guys.